on this planet is a proof of your love towards human society.
The nation. A right education can only build a better order of society for you all, my dear children. Again, wish you a very happy Children's Day. Be safe, be happy, be blessed. Thank you.
शुभकामनाएं, बहुत बहुत ज्ञान। आज का संस्कृति श्लोक, काक चेष्टा बको ध्यानम श्वान निद्रा तथैव च अल्पाहारी गृह त्यागी विद्यार्थी पंच लक्षणम। Thank you.
Together, we are an ocean. The person who has authentically instilled these words into the academic atmosphere of our school is none other than our respected Director, Sir, Mr. Abhishek Tripathi. May I please have the privilege to call him on stage for sharing his view on Children's Day.
I appreciate your parents' decision also for sending you all in today's scenario. This shows how responsible and concerned about your studies. Right? So in return, you have to also give your best. Right? Keep your basics right. Come to school, attend classes sincerely, complete your notebooks, give your best in your tests. That will make everyone happy, including you. Everyone, I mean parents, teachers and yourself. Anyway, it's your day today. Have fun with your friends. Enjoy your day.
Every day is a Children's Day. The whole routine of the homes, surround around you only. Right from the morning, the time when you get up, your parents are busy in thinking about your routine only. How to wake you up, what to make in the breakfast, then the preparations for sending you to the school, then they are concerned about your studies, how to earn more money in order to satisfy your needs and requirements. So the whole family is moving and doing things for you only. So children are blessed in that way that every day is celebrated as Children's Day in all the families across the world, right? So wish you a very happy Children's Day once again. There are basically three things that I like about the childhood and the children most. The very first of it is that you do not have any responsibilities. Your childhood is very, very free. You do not have to think about what would happen in the family, how to earn money, and how to take care of your parents. For all your problems, there is a solution in terms of your parents. So your parents are doing things for you, and you can be as free as you wish to be. So that is one thing which you would miss as you would grow up. When you grow up and come into the adulthood and start going to the college and then start earning money and then start taking care of the family, this freedom is somewhere, it disappears and more of responsibilities pop in your life. So enjoy this freedom, work hard, do good in your life, become a good human being and utilize all these years of your childhood in learning something new every day, because this childhood passes very fast.
आप सभी को बाल दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और खूब सारा प्यार। आज मैं चाचा नेहरू जी के जन्म दिवस के ऊपर बाल दिवस के लिए मैं एक छोटी सी कविता 4 लाइन पंक्तियां जो है बोलना चाहूँगी। एक गुलाब के सब पुष्पों में उनको लगता था प्यारा, एक गुलाब के सब पुष्पों में इनको लगता था प्यारा, भारत माँ का लाल ये सबसे ही था न्यारा, भारत माँ का लाल ये सबसे ही था न्यारा, सारे जग को पाठ पढ़ाया, सारे जग को पाठ पढ़ाया, शांति और अमन का, सारे जग को पाठ पढ़ाया, शांति और अमन का, भारत माँ का मान बढ़ाया, भारत माँ का मान बढ़ाया, था ये लाल चमन का, राह प्रेम के दिखलाते थे, नहीं किसी से डरते थे, राह प्रेम के दिखलाते थे, नहीं किसी से डरते थे, बच्चों के प्यारे चाचा जी हरदम आगे रहते थे, बच्चों के प्यारे चाचा जी हरदम आगे रहते थे। तो प्यारे बच्चों, ऐसे थे हमारे जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी। धन्यवाद।
Staff, co-workers and my very dear children, a very good morning to you one and all. Today is the auspicious day in the life of every child, as we are privileged to celebrate our Chacha Nehru's birthday as Children's Day, that is Bal Divas. Children, Chacha Nehru was a very famous veteran, a philosopher, a modern architect. You all know that he loved children and roses very much. His only dream was to educate the children in the best possible manner. That is the all-round development of a child. Because he believed that the child of today is the citizen of tomorrow.
पुनर्वित्तं पुनर्मित्रं पुनर्भार्या पुनर्भूः एतत् सर्वं पुनर्लभ्यं न शरीरं पुनः पुनः. It means wealth, a friend, a wife, and a kingdom may be regained, but this body when lost may never be acquired again. With these beautiful lines, a warm good morning to Honorable Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, dear parents, and all my dear students. I am Yogesh Kumar Sahu, going to tell you about some health tips. We all know very well that health is wealth. Healthy lifestyle is very important for a good life, as life without health is nothing but a burden for us and for others. Healthy lifestyle is not only about eating vegetables, fruits, and let go of every single thing which you love the most, but whatever you eat or drink must have some limit. We must have food that would boost our immunity. So here are some health tips for all. First, avoid all types of junk food and foods, fried foods. Second, limit the intake of sugary stuffs such as sweets, cakes, chocolates, or any sugary fizzy drinks. Third, avoid taking food made up of white flour or maida. Fourth, increase the intake of different seasonal fruits available in the market. Fifth, take green vegetables, dairy products, and protein-rich foods. Sixth, stay hydrated, drink 2 to 3 liters water per day. 7, try to eat those things which are nutritious, nourishing, healthy and fat-free. 8. Don't skip breakfast. It is small portion of food at regular intervals. 9. Get enough sleep every day, at least 7 to 8 hours. 10th, along with healthy eating habits, practice yoga and a set of exercises like skipping, jumping jacks, push-ups, sit-ups, balance on one leg, squats, etc. At last, I wish you all happy Children's Day.
Then deep breathe. श्वास भरते हुए, ठीक है, डीप ब्रीथ लो, ओ पे खड़े हो जाओ, खींचो बॉडी को ऊपर और खींचो।
तो बच्चे बड़े अजीब होते हैं ना, कुछ बहुत नॉटी, कुछ बहुत शरारती। बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारे जहां से अच्छे, मगर मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा बच्चे अच्छे लगते हैं नर्सरी टू क्लास 4। कितने प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे, जैसी क्लास में जाओ तुरंत एक्सक्यूज आएगा, सर ये मेरे को मुँह चिढ़ा रहा है, सर वो मेरे को बिल्ली बोली है। और उसमें जो समझदार बच्चे रहते हैं एकदम आइडियल, वो कुछ नहीं करते, वो जैसा बोला है ना उसी का वैसे ही होता है। वो जो जैसा मुंह टेढ़ा किया है ना उसी का मुंह टेढ़ा होता है। अच्छा, जैसे हम लोग जाते हैं नर्सरी से 6 to 8 में, एकदम डिसिप्लिन बच्चे, क्लास में गए तुरंत जैसे म्यूजिक चल रहा है, गुड मॉर्निंग सर, थैंक यू सर। वही बच्चे अगर 9th और 10th में चले गए, क्लास में टीचर इंटर किया, आधे लोग खड़े होंगे, आधे को अरे उठ पे आ गया रे, उठो। अच्छा 11th 12th में तो और खतरनाक हैं। किसी को एक जन तो ऐसे उठेगा जैसे उसके सर पे कोई 100 किलो का बोझा रख दिया है, और कोई तो परमानेंटली ऐसा चिपका रहेगा जैसे फेविकोल लगा दिए। और क्यों, तो उठना नहीं है सर, उठ तो रहा हूँ। अच्छा, सबसे खतरनाक हो जाते हैं जब वो स्कूल से कॉलेज में जाते हैं। अब मैं क्या कॉलेज में था, तो क्यों भाई होमवर्क करके ले आया, लाया हूँ ना। क्यों ज़्यादा आकड़ है, हाँ ठीक है सर। अच्छा, अगर होमवर्क के लिए पूछो एक्सक्यूज एक से एक, किसको बुलाऊं एक्सक्यूज के लिए, कहाँ है, हाँ आइए सर आइए। आ जाओ। बड़े खतरनाक एक्सक्यूज। अब देखते हैं इंद्रजीत सर क्या एक्सक्यूज देते हैं। अरे कल होमवर्क दिया था, कब करेगा, याद नहीं। क्यों नहीं किया होमवर्क, सर लाइट नहीं थी सर। अरे तो कुछ मोमबत्ती होगा, कैंडल वगैरह, क्यों नहीं जलाया, माचिस नहीं था सर। अब तेरे घर में माचिस नहीं रहता है, क्या बताएं सर, अब नहीं था सर। क्यों नहीं माचिस था, सॉरी सर। अरे सॉरी के बच्चे, माचिस तेरे घर में नहीं है, पूजा घर में था सर। तो जाके ला लिया होता, नहाया नहीं था सर। तो नहाया क्यों नहीं, पानी नहीं था सर। पानी क्यों नहीं था, टुल्लू स्टार्ट नहीं किया सर। अबे तू अपने मोटर को चालू कर लिया होता। क्या सर, आप भी एक ही बात बार बार पूछे जा रहे हैं, क्या हो गया, लाइट नहीं था सर। ओके,
be honest. sincere.
Be polite.
Love your grandparents.
Always speak the truth.
Help others.
Don't fight with others.
Don't fight with others. And respect your elders. Thank you, teachers.
I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. I'll finish it very short as you all were not having a habit of standing for long hours due to pandemic. I would like to start with the quote, aim for the moon. If you miss it, you will hit a star. But I would like to say, I want to say you all, you should follow, your aim should be high. You should aim for the moon, only for the moon. Aim in life gives value in life. So you all should have aim in your life. Students' life is the best time to fix an aim. So here From class 8th to 12th, I think class 11th, 12th, you have already fixed an aim where you have to go forward. And if you have not fixed, you should fix at least on this Children's Day. Going forward, you will concentrate, you will focus on your aim. So definitely it will give you success. You will reach your goal. After some time, you will get recognition and you will succeed in your life. At last, I would like to end with the famous slogan of Swami Vivekananda: arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Thank you.
Happy Children's Day to all my dear kids once again.
Happy children.